Hey everybody, welcome back. 6 p.m. We still got daylight outside, so realistically, the season's changing. We're going to be out in a few weeks on the water. As you can tell by the title of the video, there's more than just a season change. The name Doo Diligence Fishing is officially being retired. It's been through a couple years of growth, couple years of fun. The PWC fishing center of attention is still going to be there. It's just going to evolve to allow me to do a little bit more. Last year did teach me with how many months I missed my Sea-Doo due to engine swaps and other issues that I caused to it. Lost a lot of time, and it didn't stop me from going out there, but it stopped me from shooting some videos because my channel really was just focused on PWC fishing. I have the boat, I have other means to get out there, other trips, other things I do outdoors that I would like to start incorporating into some of my videos, and I was a bit restricted with Doo Diligence Fishing. I've had a lot of fun shooting the videos, don't want that to change, just want to be able to shoot a little more. Still with the same focus of outdoors and fishing and just allowing me to be off the PWC. My videos aren't always on it, and it's only fair. That title's a bit restricting. So hopefully you all come for the ride. It's going to be a blast. We're going to grow and take it to the next level. At the same time, we're going to have fun doing it. Never too serious. It's a hobby. So the logo is changing. For now, I'm just going to remove the words Doo Diligence Fishing and put the new title, which you can find on the new logo at the end of this video. I'm going to put the title there as part of the logo. Hopefully the same image for the next couple weeks helps with the transition, but eventually it's only right that that logo gets upgraded. With that, we retire Doo Diligence Fishing and bring on the new season, the new world. The new, what the hell do I want to say, man? The new adventure. Thank you all for bringing us to where we are today. Hope you stay for the ride for the next level, because we're only moving up from here. And we're going to have fun doing it. So any suggestions, comments, as always, leave them in the comment section down below. Smash that like, smash that bell, whatever else I'm supposed to say here. Let's just do it. Let's go. Let's take this to the next level. Here's the logo. Here's the few clips of the Doo Diligence intros we used, and see you soon. See you outdoors. Spring's coming, and we're gonna make the best of it. See you soon. Peace.